Alright, Shiva. Ready? Here, let me see your head. There we go. Shiva's ready to go. Pulling like normal, huh? Do not obstruct roads, gates, or fire lines. Okay. I'm coming. Don't worry. I'll be right behind you. You just stay on the trail. Does it smell good out here, Shiva? Does it smell like nature and pine trees? Whoa, Shiva. Don't go too far in front of me. Trail dog. No. That's get. That's alligator poop. Don't worry, I'm coming. What are all these delicious smells up here, huh, Shiva? Are those nature smells? Come on. Ooh, it's a little muddy. Don't drink that. Come on. Keep going. Look at these cool pitcher plants. I don't know if those other red ones are, like, maybe they're the males of the species. Any bugs in there? What did you do? Did you go running through the mud? Alright. Let's go that way. Come on. Keep moving. There's lots of wildlife in there. Toads. That's what's making that noise. Toads. Where'd he go? There he is. Look at that. This is a pretty cool little spot. If you just wanted to sit here and get eaten alive by bugs. Come on. Come on. We can turn around 1.7 miles, or we can keep going 2.1 miles. What do you want to do? Keep going? Let's see if we can make it. I guess if we don't make it, we got to keep going anyway. That's the only way back to the car. It's thick with pine trees. Great. Go. Oh, you waiting for me? Oh, you're a good girl. You waiting for Daddy? Come on. Thank you. I would get lost without you. Shiva, are you having a good time? I am. I like doing this. This is enjoyable for me. And it's even better with you as my companion. I love you, Shiva. I hope we get to do lots of hikes like this. Well, we got a long ways to go to get back. What in the heck are those? Look at that. They almost... Maybe that's some kind of wild honeysuckle or something. No, because it's not a vine. Sure is pretty though. Let's go. Shiva, are you getting your second wind? Shiva's tired. So am I. This is a long hike. Wow. A little muddy. Don't drink that. Yuck. That's how far we are from the campground. We're almost all the way around. My gosh, we've made it almost all the way around already. That wasn't too bad, huh? And we're down here at the dam. What you doing? Better catch up. Come on. You're tired, girl. Sweetwater Trail. We just did the Bear Lake Loop Trail. Look at the valley down there below the dam. You can see it's like, I don't know, 40, 50 feet down that way, and just about not even 10 feet down this way to the lake. Wow, Shiva, we did a long hike. Oh, that little doggy over there wants to play. You're too tired to even bark. Normally you're barking like crazy. What tires you out, Shiva? There's the car. Oh, you're gonna be so happy to get back there and get some water. Want some water? I bet you want some water. Shiva wants some water, huh?